How to link Shopify to WordPress. So, hi guys, the first thing that we need to do is to simply open our browser and go to WordPress.com. Once you're routed to WordPress.com, sign in to your WordPress account. Now, I have signed in to mine already. All we need to do is to go to the left hand corner and look for plugins. Click on plugins. Now, once you have your plugins open, you can see a search bar in here. Type in WP Shopify. Hit on enter. And under your search results, we can see WP Shopify in here. Click on that one. So this is actually free. However, since I am using a free domain, I need to upgrade and activate before I can add this plugin. So if you are going to add this plugin, it will display products from your Shopify store on your WordPress blog using shortcodes, basically. So that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed and thank you so much for watching.